Hello, and welcome to Real Talk with Lonnie Bridges, where knowledge is power. The strongest bond of human sympathy outside the family relation should be one uniting working people of all nations, tongues, and kindreds. Abraham Lincoln. Today's discussion will be 4 ways to promote team unity. One of the most important responsibilities of a leader is to promote team unity. This does not mean that there is no disagreement or even periodic conflict on the team or within the organization. To be a unifier, the leader brings people together around a vision, a mission, or a project. Team unity drives results. A leader's behavior either promotes unity or incites division. Let's discuss 4 behaviors that will promote unity. We must create a vision that our community understands and rally behind. Have team members participate in setting the organization's vision when possible. Team unity is the result of citizens and organizations collaborating to develop an achievable and meaningful vision. We must respect differences of opinion. Listen to our community and team members, consider their ideas, and have a dialogue with those who differ. Explain our positions respectfully and give them an opportunity to express their position. Be aware of our body language. Sometimes it may speak louder than words. Never denigrate those who have a different opinion or idea if they are sincere in their beliefs. Speaking ill of those with whom we have a difference of opinion is divisive and only reflects poorly on our leadership. We can achieve team unity even when not all agree with decisions or positions, as long as others feel they are heard and their ideas are respected. We must build trust within the team. Trust is an important component of unified teams. Provide opportunities for community and team members to get to know us and each other on a deeper basis through events and activities. Manage trust issues in a timely manner and look to create opportunities to interact and build relationships. We must use positive behaviors to influence others, to promote team unity of the shared vision. Positive influencing tactics include logical persuasion, appealing to value, consulting, and simply stating what we want done and why. If we use negative influencing tactics, such as manipulation, intimidation, or threats, it is divisive, even to others on our team who observe these behaviors. We must learn to live together as brothers and sisters, or perish together as fools. Dr. Martin Luther King, Jr. People, or oppressors, who seek to divide for whatever reason may think they will succeed. After all, they are playing to their supporters. But in reality, no one admires divisive behaviors, and the oppressor will quickly lose much of their support. What kind of leader are you? Are you a divider who plays individuals against each other? Or are you a unifier who leads to the shared vision, builds trust, and considers all opinions? Leadership is the art of accomplishing more than the science of management say is possible. General Colin Powell. Until next time, have a super fantastic day. Bam!